subscribe to our channel.
9 Herbal Remedies for Varicose Veins. 1. Ginger. This herb is rich in anti-inflammatory compounds. It naturally reduces pain and the appearance of varicose veins. Ginger is great for improving circulation and preventing varicose veins from forming. Place a little ginger extract mixed with some vitamin E directly on the surface of the skin. You'll be amazed by the results. 2. Garlic. Garlic contains many compounds with anti-inflammatory properties. To use it as a remedy, crush 5 garlic cloves and eat raw with a little lemon juice to improve the taste. Garlic reduces excess proteins in the body and as a consequence, reduces the appearance of these unsightly veins. 3. Onion. Onions are an excellent natural remedy to help with the proper assimilation and distribution of proteins in the body, thus preventing varicose veins from forming and becoming visible on the surface of the skin. Just eat raw onions daily. Daily consumption of onions helps keep your body healthy and revitalizes your skin. 4. Brahmi. This plant has its origins in India and is considered effective at removing varicose veins, especially in the field of Ayurvedic medicine. Brahmi contains vitamins that are essential for good skin tone. Apply directly to the legs for excellent results. 5. Rosemary. Rosemary is useful for fighting stress and depression, but it's also great for varicose veins. It's frequently used in skincare products because it improves circulation. 6. St. John's wort. It doesn't matter if it's used internally or externally, St. John's wort is an ideal way to eliminate varicose veins. Apply the oil of this plant directly to the affected area. It can also be made into a tea. This is a rare herb, but very useful if you can find it. Witch hazel possesses anti-inflammatory properties and is therefore beneficial in reducing varicose veins. It's generally taken as a tea, but can also be applied as a compress to the affected area. It has a high concentration of essential oils, gallic acid, and tannins, which are great for keeping skin healthy. 7. Butcher's broom. This plant contains an active compound called ruscogenin, which reduces inflammation and obstruction of the veins. It has the added benefit of strengthening and tightening the blood vessels. 8. Guggle. Guggle is another traditional plant from Ayurvedic medicine and has properties that reduce inflammation in the blood vessels and the appearance of varicose veins as a result. Guggle improves circulation and skin health. 9. Echinacea. This herb is well known for strengthening the immune system, but it's also a great solution for varicose veins. It's good for reducing inflammation and acts as an analgesic for the pain associated with varicose veins. I hope you've found this information useful. Remember to consult your doctor if you're suffering from a chronic condition or if you notice an adverse reaction after using these natural remedies for varicose veins. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.